Hey, Remote Pilot 101, Jason here, and Happy New Year. Can you believe it? 2020 is over. I know, it's super exciting too. 2021 is going to be your best year yet. I truly mean that. I mean, I'm always looking into the future, and sometimes I look down at my own feet and see myself in the present as well. But looking towards the future, I know that 2021 is going to be an amazing year for you and your flying. Maybe you got a big recurrent test coming up you need to study for. Maybe you just need to get the 107 initial out of the way. Maybe you're trying to get your business going and running, get more jobs, whatever that may be. We're here to support you. Let us know in the comment section below this video, what are your 2021 flying goals? You ever thought about getting into manned aviation? Maybe that, I mean, gosh, you passed your Part 107 test, you did private pilot light version, basically. I mean, you are so close to success on that. You've heard me say that before in the course. Consider it if it's a dream of yours. 2021 will be your best flying year yet. I share that with you. Sometimes hearing it from somebody else helps your brain, your subconscious mind process that and make that real. And that is my promise to you all. Share with me in the comment section below what your 2021 flying goals are on Facebook, on YouTube, on M0A, RemotePilot101.com. I can't wait to see all of your comments. Enjoy the rest of your day, and most importantly, remember that a good pilot is always learning. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you.